Here we come to the elevator here at the Huntington Public Library at the Ammerman campus at the Suffolk County Community College, and this does not look good. I think this elevator has been modernized, which is really bad. Oh, you're kidding me. Okay. Wow, look at what we just lost. Damn. Alright, it's taking us down to the basement. Alright. Cool, so this thing doesn't even work right? It's a brand new mod. That's great. No directional arrow. The light, the halo on the button never lit up. This is a brand new elevator, by the way. I wonder what's in there. Oh, boiler room. 2. Oh, you can actually hear the relays. Very quiet. So it is taking the call. So I don't know if it's actually going to go, but. And the door close button doesn't work. Man, this mod is firing on all fronts here. 1. All right, we're going somewhere. It'll take us up to 2. And the door close button does not work. This is at least a 2-year-old mod. Here we are, 2. I can't believe the door close button doesn't work. I believe this used to be a Burlington. I might be wrong. There go the doors. Cab view. Everything in the cab looks original. I guess it just got a car operating panel overhaul, which sucks because this thing used to be really cool. And now it will be my last time on that elevator, so. Wow. Goes. And that's it. Very sad.